What if you could create stunning, studio-quality product photos like this, using only AI? In this video, I'll show you how to turn a simple product image into something like this, using Edimakor, and it only takes a few minutes. No sets, no cameras, no hassle. Don't waste any more time, let's get started. Step 1. Download HitPaw Edimakor. First, grab HitPaw Edimakor. It's an awesome video editor loaded with powerful AI tools. If you haven't got it yet, you can find the download link down below. Once it's installed, open it up. And let's dive into the next step. Step 2. Create product image. Click New Project, then go to AI Image and select Image Generator. You can choose from text to image, reference image, or image restyle. Here, we'll use reference image. Next, pick Google Nano Banana. It's great for keeping your product perfectly consistent. Upload your product photo and type in this prompt for an artistic lifestyle shot. I'll put the full prompt down in the description, so you can copy it too. Set your output quantity, hit generate, and your premium-looking product images are ready in seconds. Want to try different styles? Easy. Just repeat the steps and change the prompt to match the look you want. Then hit generate again. And that's how you can create stunning, professional-looking product photos for your e-commerce store. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more AI content creation tips. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.